Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka, and this is a sponsored collaboration. So thanks to the brand for sending me the Go Trust item key so I could test it and share my honest experience with you. This is a two-factor authentication key that works with both USB-C and NFC. It's meant to protect your online accounts with an extra physical layer of security, and I've been wanting to try something like this for a while. Inside the box, it comes ready to use. No cables, no instructions overload, just the key itself, and you're good to go. You can plug it directly into your laptop or tap it on your phone if it supports NFC. It doesn't need to be charged and has no battery, which I really appreciate. You don't have to think about keeping it powered. Just use it when you log in. I registered it with a few of my accounts: Gmail, Facebook, Microsoft, and it also works with platforms like Binance or Coinbase if you manage crypto. Once it's linked, every time you log in, it asks you to tap or plug in the key, and you're in. It's quick, smooth, and works without any delays or glitches. I tested it on Chrome and Edge using both my Android phone and Windows laptop, and it recognized the key every time. No problems at all. It also feels solid in your hand. It's waterproof, dustproof, and small enough to keep on your keychain without even noticing it's there. If you handle sensitive data or just want a safer way to log into your accounts, this is a simple and reliable tool that adds peace of mind to your routine. Thanks for watching and see you next time.